guys. Happy New Year, Jax.
Menagang Bagong Taon.
So, where are we heading, Jax?
Back to Brown Bay. So again, we'll be driving on the beach and all the families down there. And I guess we're having a barbecue and spending New Year's Eve on the beach rather than sort of being. Our previous event got cancelled and that was inside like a community hall. So yeah, because we have COVID restrictions here in South Australia, I think outside we're fine to get together. So yes, we'll see what's going on down there. Not too sure, but we'll see. We got inflatables, we have drinks, we have food. Should be a good night. Ayan.
So, Bulaga guys, ayan, meron kaming hat ni Jax. Ready kami kesa yung kahapon pumunta tayo ng Browns Bay, wala tayong hat. So, ayun na nga guys, how you like my hat for today guys? So, ayun, ngayon today is, now is 5:09, time check tayo. And the weather is, I think,
It's like 23. It was a lot hotter earlier. I think it's like 34, but I think the wind coming off the ocean is actually pretty cool compared to being in Mount Gambier. It actually seems to be a lot cooler going down near the ocean here. So our water's gonna be freezing like it was yesterday. Ayan.
So, Bulaga nga guys. So, ayun na guys. We will spend our Christmas Eve. And then after that, we will head to Ate Williams, Jack's brother's house. Ayan, Koya. And we will spend our Christmas Eve there. After this beach, go there. So, ayun na guys. Malapit na tayo. I will show you. We will find out if there's a lot of people because today is a good weather too. And Bulaga! So, ayun na guys. Ayan na tayo. Malapit na tayo. 1 minute na lang. Ayan, nakita nyo yung...
Enjoy the cows.
Yeah, enjoy the cows, everybody. So, ayan guys.
There you go. Google said they're close.
So, ayan. Google said we're near na. So, 1 minute na lang guys. You can see after that one, after the show, it's a tubing. So, we will bring the car in the sand. Ayan, tubing. So, here, it's difficult to get a signal here, the mobile data. So, ayun na guys. I'm not sure what's that one's right there, but here. So, yeah, there's a caravan too here, guys. You can see, you can park your caravan here. I think it's free and it's open 24 hours. So, ayan. I think less people now.
Yeah, the hottest part of the day is probably finished now. I mean, it's a lot cooler than it probably was earlier because it starts at 5 o'clock, not as opposed to like 11 till 3 or so when it's usually the hottest.
So I think there's still a people here, but you look at that one, there's a caravan here too.
Oh, it's like a big party.
So it's a New Year Eve and there's a lolo there with the buffet. Stop now because buffet will
Still
go.
got the bloody brake squeaks. I thought they fixed it.
Have you told them it's a swing?
Yeah, I told him it was a
Skis.
squeak. He said it mustn't have done it for him. He just said it was like a small bracket or something that held something on.
So ayun yung beach nila
I know,
guys.
there's a lot of kings.
So ayan na guys. I think it's called. Ayan. Oh, there's a lot of kings there. We should get the caravan.
That them again?
Ah.
They said I set up over yesterday. I mean, that looks like Kirsty's, but no, it hasn't got overriding down the side.
That's different one.
It's a bit further down.
I think it's far
Let's
away.
go.
So, ayan.
I think.
They're doing the pani-pani one.
I've got to say, it feels a lot softer today.
So, ayan na guys. I think that's somewhere there. I think that one. Is it somewhere there? I'm not sure. So, I think one of the family of Jackstone is there.
Yeah, that's Andrew there.
Yeah. You can park there. You're at the
Is
last.
that Wilma again?
Yeah, she's doing stuff too.
Yeah, 2 drives.
Okay guys, so ayan na, nandito na tayo sa beach. Yung beach talaga yan. Late na naman tayo kasi...
That's maybe where we were yesterday. Oh, that looks so nice familiar.
Okay, bye-bye ulit mamaya.
Bye-bye, guys. Menagang Bagong Taon. Thank you. Yeah, you enjoy my hat.
Do you want noodles?
Yeah, I want noodles. So Jax is doing
Barbecue again.
I think it's cold. Cold noodles.
hot noodles.
I don't remember flipping the back one.
You want me to?
Oh, I don't remember flipping that one. Maybe I forgot to take it off from the last one. Oh no, that one. Still more time to go.
Cold noodles and cold rice.
Oh, so I'm still cooking. I can't eat. What is?
Diana, you can help.
That's pretty
Yeah.
cool, man.
Bird. Noodles, there's nice pork, pork.
So ito, nandito na naman tayo sa beach. So hanggang doon. Medyo malamig. So, that's it guys. That's our New Year's Eve dito sa Mount Gambier, South Australia. As you see early on guys, yung afternoon, we go to the beach. It's in Browns Bay. So, the beach is called Browns Bay. So, kasi dito sa South Australia guys, we are near in the coastline. So, there's a lot of beach here guys. And plus, the weather is awesome. You know why? Because it's 37 degrees Celsius. And it's summer here dito sa South Australia nga. Dito sa Mount Gambier, guys. So, nakita nyo, if you haven't checked my Christmas video, we went back home doon sa Victoria sa Melbourne and we celebrate Christmas in Melbourne in Victoria doon sa father ni Jax because yung sister ni Jax birthday niya. So we go back to Melbourne and then we come back here sa South Australia dito sa Mount Gambier and it takes more than 5 hours ang travel papunta sa Melbourne, going back here sa South Australia, guys. So, we celebrate our New Year's here sa South Australia. Nakita nyo earlier, ang Browns Bay is one of the beach dito sa South Australia, dito sa Mount Gambier. And I think it's like 20 minutes drive dito sa place namin dito sa Mount Gambier. And guys, ayun na nga. So, hindi masyadong sineselebrate ng mga Australian ang New Year's dito, guys. Siguro mga Filipino community lang, but we are very we have still restrictions about the COVID variant. So, hindi talaga sila. Most of the Australian people, they only celebrate, siguro mas bongacious ang Christmas. So, nakita nyo kanina, guys, nag-barbecue tayo dun sa beach because it's a awesome weather and Barbie, swimming, and surfing. Maganda yung waves, malawak. Nakita nyo kanina, ganun siya, pasi siya, coastline talaga siya doon. So, madaming tao, they bring their car in the sand, maganda doon. Especially if you have a big vehicle or a big car. Pwede nyo siyang i-drive dun sa sand. Katulad nung sa sakyan namin doon. Drive namin siya sa sand kasi nga maganda yung mga 4x4 na mga car. Talaga malalaki. Pag maliit lang yung mga sasakyan nyo, hindi pwede doon idaan dun sa sand. So, yun na nga guys. Nag-barbie kami. Tapos, after nag-barbie kami, I think like 7 or 8, we are done in our beach and talagang daytime saving dito daytime. So, nakita nyo kanina, medyo maliwanag pa yung paligid ng natapos kami doon sa beach. After that, we go back to the caravan and then we clean ourselves and then we go to Jack's brother, yung bahay ng kapatid ni Jax. Doon kami nag-celebrate ng aming New Year's Eve. So, it's a very simple New Year's Eve lang, guys. Especially talaga dito sa Australia. Hindi talaga sila bogacious. Hindi katulad ng opposite ng Philippines na bogacious ang Philippines. May mga Merry Christmas and 2022 pa sila talaga bogacious. Isasara mo ang buong kanto sa inyong or barrio sa inyong lugar. So, ganun kasaya. Dito kasi opposite. They only celebrate talaga ng bongga kapag Christmas. So, kabaliktaran sa Philippines. So, when kasi nga we are advanced on a countdown. So, South Australia is advanced in Philippines 3 hours ahead. So, we are 3 hours ahead. Tapos, yung midnight, sa kanila wala pa doon. So, simple lang talaga. Hindi ko na nakuha yung video kasi nga 3 lang kami doon. Yung brother ni Jax, may pasok siya. His night shift. So, 3 lang kami. Yung wife ng kuya ni Jax, si Jax at ako. So, 3 lang kami sa loob ng bahay na celebrate ng New Year's Eve, New Year's countdown. And, nag-music lang kami doon. Kasi yung kids nila, there are adult and teenagers already. So, meron silang kanya-kanyang mga, alam nyo naman, mga kanya-kanyang lakad. So, hindi na talaga, wala na talaga. Simple lang talaga, guys. Kami. So, busog pa kami. So, nakita nyo, ang ginawa lang namin ay nag-cheese platter, drink ng wine, nag-play ng cards. So, hindi kami nag-jam. Wala kami mga circular kasi ganito dito. Hindi talaga siya bongga. Kaya, it's better if you go back in Philippines during month of December. Talagang kakaiba. Madami talagang sabi na kakaiba ang Pasko at Bago Taon sa Pilipinas. And that's true po. So, ayun na nga, guys. Sanay lang talaga yan. Sanay talaga. Ako sanay na ako. I've been far away. I've been an OFW for about more than 4 years and sanay na ako sa mga Merry Christmas sa Christmas and New Year na talagang simple lang. Talagang dito, simple lang talaga. Fireworks is banned here. So, kapag nakita ka you're using a fireworks, you will be fined at least 5,000 AUD dollar like that. If you convert in peso, is 185 peso plus, guys. Imagine that, ganun magbabayad ka if you're using a fireworks dito sa South Australia. So, hindi talaga kami nag-party. And then, the original plan, we are going to a Filipino community New Year's Eve. Pero nga, there's a restriction na lumabas dito recently. May memo na you don't go like at least 10 people in one household. May mga ganon. So, hindi na kami lumabas kasi nga very strict dito. Talagang kasi mga kapitbahay, kapag nakita nila madaming kotse sa labas, tatawag sila ng polis. At yung may-ari ng bahay na tinawag ng kapitbahay, mag-fine din kayo. Kaya, hindi na kami pumunta. So, ayun na nga, guys. That's our simple celebration of our New Year's countdown, New Year's Eve. Nakita nyo kanina. We go to the brownbay sa beach nga. So, guys, once again, Happy New Year, people of the universe. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you had fun kahit wala tayong fireworks. So, thank you very much for watching and mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart po. Talamus, please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And ciao la.